Welcome back. You can use Quicken to account for any borrowing that you do for your business. And while you can get a small business loan or a traditional loan of some kind, it's more likely that you will open a credit card in order to make a specific purchase. So in this video, that is what we will work with, that you will attain a credit card and then use the funds for that credit card in order to purchase something for your business. So in that case, what you're going to do is you're actually going to click Add Account. You'll then click Credit Card. Now you can typically automate the process by finding your financial institution and adding the credit card that way. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in manually. And we're going to enter our transactions manually. And we're going to click Next. And we're going to state that this is going to be primarily for business, so we're going to click that. And we're going to place the statement balance as a particular point in time as 0. And we're going to click Next. And now we're going to click Finish. And if you were to look at your business balance sheet, you'll notice now that in the liability section, there is the credit card to make a business purchase at a 0 balance. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to the credit card account and we're going to make a purchase. So what we're going to do is we're going to now create a purchase for a particular educational product. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually make this a business expense. So we're going to place this in the supplies area. And remember, we can actually come back and we can create a different category that is more specific if we want to track it separately. So we're actually going to go ahead and put a tag in here because we want to place more information rather than less. So we're going to write in a tag that tells us exactly what it is that we have actually purchased. Quicken is going to have us actually write a tag in here, and this is optional. You don't have to do this, but it will help to have in the future. Now, since we used the credit card in order to buy this coaching, I'm going to go ahead and write in what we were charged for the actual coaching program. When we tab over, you'll notice that the amount is going to be $4,800, and we're going to click Save. And so our balance now for the charge account is now $4,800. Now, if we look at our income statement, we're going to notice a very large expense, and that is our coaching purchase, $4,800. If we look at our balance sheet, we now see that there is a $4,800 liability that offsets all of the other assets we have, because actually what we need to do is when we have the $4,800, we can actually take from our assets to pay off that credit card. And so what the balance sheet gives us is an accurate reflection of what our business is doing for us or what we need to do to improve our business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.